Learn English to Gujarati health words, illness, pain, fever and
pharmacy.
welcome to the Sniffly adventure. Hey, you are about to learn useful Gujarati health words without sounding like a dusty textbook. Think of this as language learning with tissues, drama, and a suspiciously heroic cup of tea. Our story begins on a Monday morning, the day when alarms ring too early and motivation hides under the blanket. You wake up and announce, with great theatrical sadness, that you have an illness. Not just a tiny problem, of course. In your imagination, this
Bimari
is so dramatic that even the pillow files a complaint. Then you touch your forehead and whisper, "Oh, maybe it is."
Tav
Meaning fever. Your nose disagrees and starts running a marathon, which suggests
Shardi
a cold. Your throat joins the performance with
Udras
a cough. And somewhere in the middle of all this, your head says, "Hello, I am
Dard
pain." Congratulations! In just one miserable but educational morning, you have met 5 key Gujarati words. The main cast. Let's meet your new vocabulary like characters in a very dramatic medical comedy. Say each one aloud with me. Illness is
Bimari
If you want to say, "I have an illness," you can remember the core word.
Bimari
Pain is
Dard
short, strong, and very useful when your foot meets a table leg in the dark. Fever is
Tav
touch your forehead and think, hot forehead.
Tav
Cold, as in the illness, is
Shardi
not cold weather, but the sneezy, tissue-loving cold. Cough is
Udras
if your throat starts making unwanted sound effects, that is
Udras
medicine is
Dava
the tiny bitter hero of the story.
Dava
Doctor is
Doctor
good news, it sounds familiar.
Doctor
Pharmacy is
Pharmacy
the magical place where you go in tired and come out holding a bag in hope. A very unwell dialogue. Now listen to a short dialogue and notice how the words work together. You can repeat after each line if you want. You say, "I think I have."
Bimari
Single quote. Your friend says, "What happened? Do you have?"
Tav
Single quote. You answer, "Maybe. I also have."
Shardi
And
Udras
single quote. Your friend looks concerned and slightly overdramatic. Any?
Dard
Single quote. You sigh and say, "Yes, a little.
Dard
I need."
Dava
Single quote. Your friend replies, "Let's go to the,"
Doctor
then to the,
Pharmacy
Single quote. Beautiful. Not beautiful because you are sick. Beautiful because your Gujarati is improving. Tiny story, big memory. Here comes a funny memory story to glue the words into your brain. The stranger the image, the better it sticks. Imagine this. A giant thermometer knocks on your door. It says, "Delivery for."
Tav
Single quote. Behind it stands a mountain of tissues shouting,
Shardi Shardi
Single quote. Then a tiny drummer appears in your throat and goes boom boom boom. That is
Udras
your knee complains in a deep voice, "I am
Dard
and I would like attention." A superhero wearing a white coat flies in. Of course, that is the
Doctor
The hero hands you sparkling,
Dava
then points to a glowing shop sign.
Pharmacy
Over the whole scene hangs one big cloud labeled
Bimari
ridiculous? Yes. Memorable? Also yes. Quick practice drill. Your turn now. I'll give the English word, and you say the Gujarati word after the pause. Illness.
Bimari
Pain.
Dard
Fever.
ताव,
cold,
शर्दी,
cough,
उधरस,
medicine,
दवा,
doctor,
डॉक्टर,
pharmacy.
फार्मसी,
Useful real life lines. Let's make the words practical. These are the kinds of short lines you might actually need. I have a fever. I have.
ताव,
I have a cold. I have.
शर्दी,
I have a cough. I have.
उधरस,
I have pain. I have.
दर्द,
I need medicine. I need.
दवा,
I need a doctor. I need a.
डॉक्टर,
Where is the pharmacy? Where is the.
फार्मसी,
The illness will pass soon. Remember the key word.
बीमारी,
Mini quiz without panic. No stress. This quiz is friendlier than a waiting room magazine from 1997. What is the Gujarati word for pain?
दर्द,
What is the Gujarati word for medicine?
दवा,
What is the Gujarati word for doctor?
डॉक्टर,
What is the Gujarati word for fever?
ताव,
What is the Gujarati word for cough?
उधरस,
What is the Gujarati word for pharmacy?
फार्मसी,
What is the Gujarati word for illness?
बीमारी,
What is the Gujarati word for cold?
शर्दी,
Wrap up and feel better soon. Nice work. You just learned a full set of useful health words in Gujarati, and hopefully had at least one small laugh along the way. Today you learned illness,
बीमारी,
pain,
दर्द,
fever,
ताव,
cold,
शर्दी,
cough,
उधरस,
medicine,
दवा,
doctor,
डॉक्टर,
and pharmacy.
फार्मसी.
Thank you for learning with me. Keep practicing these words out loud, revisit this chapter again, and soon they will feel natural in real conversation. You are doing great, so keep going.